Let's begin our tour of Severance Hospital, which offers the latest medical information system. If you are driving to the hospital, you can park using the hospital's smart card, which is also your patient's card built in with an electronic tag. At times, you may have trouble finding your car in the big parking lot. But by entering your parking location into the smart card, you will have no problem finding your car for your return trip home. Today you have an appointment at the breast cancer clinic. Check with the computer assistance the location of the breast cancer clinic and any examinations reserved in advance. Today, you only have to visit the breast cancer clinic. First, you check the location and you are now in B1. The breast cancer is on the first floor, so you can go straight, take the elevator, and get off on the first floor. Once you are out of the elevator, make a left turn and then right, and then another left turn followed by another right turn, and you will find the breast cancer to your left. At the breast cancer clinic, put the smart card near the reader and you are automatically registered to meet the professor with whom you have your appointment. And this information appears on the PDP screen with the patients waiting in the order of arrival. When your name gets to the third from the top, you move to the front of the examination room. When your name reached first on the list, you enter the examination room and are examined by the medical staff. The Severance Medical Information System was developed on Microsoft NT and can also use Microsoft Windows. So, explanation and education for your problems can also be provided using PowerPoint. After examination, all prescriptions and medical records are entered into the system for management. After examination, the automatic payment machine outside the examination room receives payment using credit card or cash and prints out a receipt. Then prescription is printed out by the automatic prescription issuer, which also sends the prescription to the pharmacy of your choice. Next, you visit the pharmacy and you can pay for your prescription as you pick it up. If you can't remember where you parked, check the location of your car using Your Severance Helper to get to your car, and simply drive out of the hospital. You can park free of charge up to 4 hours. At the VIP ward of Severance Hospital, inpatients can take care of business using PC or Internet. While doing business, you can receive notice on examinations required on the following day and instructions from the medical staff. Also using this computer, you can listen to explanations on all examinations, including X-ray results of the hospital directly from the doctors. Severance uses not only electronic prescription and electronic medical records, but also RFID for patient safety for blood transfusion and special cancer treatment medication. This is a futuristic hospital IT environment, which is rare in Korea as well as in the world. At the blood bank, the patient's medical information is checked and RFID tag is attached to the prescribed blood bag before delivering it. Through automatic transporter with the required booth, the delivery is done automatically. Even cancer medications that required utmost attention are combined in the pharmaceutical room. An RFID tag is attached and is sent to the ward. At the ward, the nurses get patient information from a wireless laptop computer to check if prescribed blood is provided to the right patient before the actual transfusion. If the blood is wrongly prescribed, it can be detected in the computer. So, medical mishaps like mismatched transfusion or prescription can be prevented. The medical information system of Severance Hospital is designed to be web-based, so certain medical information of patients can be viewed after screening through the required security at any partner hospital or hospital around the world. Once security is passed, using a smart card for medical professionals at the partner hospital, the doctor can view certain medical information of Severance Hospital. For the patient in the doctor's care, visual examination results, so the partner hospital's doctor can play the role of an attending physician in the United States. Web services for patients allow viewing of some of the current treatment schedule and treatment information. In the case of cardiovascular surgery, patients prescribed with anticoagulant can track their examination results at home instead of visiting the hospital to manage their medication, which has one great favor. This system of inquiring examination results through the web will eventually diffuse into all departments in stages. Web services for patients allow viewing of treatment appointment schedule, while various certificates can be printed out at home through the web with a good security system. Recently, 30,000 receipts for treatment bills are requested each year for tax return purposes. This receipt will be issued through the internet without the patients having to visit the hospital to receive it. Leading the patient-centric medical world, Severance Hospital has built a medical information system in a new, ubiquitous environment, emerging as a global standard hospital in Korea and abroad. The medical staff of Severance will always shine as lights that protect the health of patients, always standing by our patients no matter where they are. Thank you.